If you're looking for a functional, compact sedan with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at this 2013 Hyundai Elantra Limited in Phantom Black. With fully automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, electronic stability control, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 65,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, split folding rear seats, power sunroof, 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5381A.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.